Hello friends, today I will tell you how you can change your country in the YouTube channel. So first of all, do not waste time, let's jump in. Open your YouTube studio on the web, on the computer. When you see the dashboard on the left side, you also will see setting down here. Click on the setting, you will see this interface. So your first option is general and second is channel. Okay, so click on the channel, you will see this kinds of the interface, country of the residence. So I live in United States, so you will see United States here. But there is a one more thing that you guys need to know. If you are living in the India, so it's supposed to be India. If you live in the United States, so it's supposed to be United States. But in some cases, some people lives in India or in their origin country, but after some times they moved to the another country. So this is also very important to change because it impacts on your YouTube videos and your CPM. Okay, so this is how you can change it. Click on this drop down option. You will see all the countries. Select your countries and it's done. Select your countries and save. This is so simple. So you guys can subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you also click on the bell icon so you don't miss any update. So keep